Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you how to connect your phone via Bluetooth. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2007 all the way up to 2015 and the ones equipped with Bluetooth. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so you will be using these two menu buttons on the steering wheel. So first you want to press this phone button to get into the phone menu. You will see connect and phone search, and then you will scroll down by using this button to phone search, and you will press OK. And now the system will be looking for your Bluetooth device, your phone, right? And at this point you have to turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. So I will stop this video, turn on the Bluetooth, and then I will continue recording, because yeah, I'm using the phone to record, so my Bluetooth is not on right now. Okay, and now your phone's name should appear right here on the device list. And the next step is just to press again OK, and then the pairing process will start. You will get a code displayed here on this screen, and that same code will appear on your phone as well. Okay guys, I'm trying to record this a couple of times, so just accept the code on my phone, and then I just have to confirm here in the vehicle as well. Confirm password is OK, 237909. That same code appeared on my phone. I will just press OK. And now finally, once everything is connected, you should get access to this menu where you can access your phone book, dial numbers, your call history, call the mailbox, see some go into Bluetooth settings, ringtone and things like that. Okay, so one more time to summarize everything. You will press this phone button on the left side of the steering wheel, then you will select phone search and turn on the Bluetooth on your cell phone, and then the name of your phone will appear here. You will press OK, and then you will get the code on your phone, which has to match the code displayed on this screen. You will pair it on your phone, and then you will press OK here on the vehicle, and that's pretty much everything. And one more tip: you can have a total of 4 paired phones at a time. If you have more than 4, if this is the 5th phone, then you will have to delete one phone to be able to pair a new one. This is what happened to me, but yeah, like I said, automatically it's gonna guide you through the process of deleting a phone once you reach the limit. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.